Hello guys, and welcome to another beautiful video. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make money from Selar using your smartphone. Now this is a very beautiful way to make money if you are broke, if you don't have anything in your account, you don't have a dime on you, but you have your smartphone and your data. You can make a lot of money from Selar using your smartphone. So quickly, if you're watching this video for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love you to just show me some love by liking this channel, love this channel, comment in this channel, subscribe to this channel so many of the people who are watching can follow this video, so that YouTube knows that we are actually doing something meaningful. Okay, so what is Selar? What is Selar? Selar is an online platform where you can upload and you can sell digital products. Once you set up your payment system, you can sell digital products on Selar. Okay, if you have a digital product, let's say you are a designer, you are a writer, you have an online a resource, a book, or you have a video you want to sell, a video that teaches people how to do stuff, and you want to sell it to people online, you want to sell it to the audience online, you can upload that to Selar and sell to people. Okay, use Selar as a platform where people can access your content, pay for it on Selar, and you get your money to your account. Okay, so Selar is a platform that helps you to do that. And one of the good things about it is this is a very beautiful option for you if you don't have a website. Okay, so you don't need a website. You don't need a website to make money online if you sell a digital product. All you need to do is to go to Selar. Okay, go to Selar, upload, sign up and upload. Once you upload your product, you advertise, a lot of people see it, they purchase the product, and you get your money straight to your bank account. Okay, so who are the people who can earn on Selar? Like I said before, anybody who has a smartphone and data and is willing to put in some work. If you are a stay-at-home mom and you want to make money online, Selar is a good way to make money. If you are a freelancer and you're looking for alternative ways to make money, you don't have a dime in your account but you have data and you have a smartphone, this is a very good way to make money. If you work and maybe you just want to increase your earning capacity in different ways, this is another option for you to make money. But basically, this video is for those who want to start a business online. You want to do something to make money online, but you don't have a dime in your account, but you have data and you have your smartphone. So once again, you can make money if you have a smartphone and your data and you're willing to put in the work. So how can one earn on Selar? How can you earn on Selar? There are two ways for you to earn on Selar. The first way for you to earn on Selar is to sell your own digital product. Let me repeat that again. If you have a digital product, you have a video that you want to sell, a video that teaches people how to do stuff, a video that talks about how to solve a problem, or maybe an ebook, or maybe you want to sell an audio file. Okay, you want to sell your music. Yes, you want to sell anything that has to do with sound. Selar is a good place to be. Okay, you can sell your own digital products. Now, the second way for you to earn on Selar is to refer people to Selar. Let's say you don't have a product yet, but you want to make money on Selar. You can refer people. Okay, you can refer people to Selar and get paid. Now, for instance, let's say you refer someone to a product that is making waves. Let's say the product is making money. The person who has the product is making money. Okay, you that referred people to that product, you're going to get a commission. Okay, for referring people to that product. That is how it works. These are the two ways for you to make money on Selar. Okay, So how do you join? How do you join? Now there is a link on your screen that you are seeing right now. You just copy it. You copy that link the same way it is, and you will place it into your search bar in your Google Chrome or your Google, okay? And you will place it and you will search for it. Once you click it, okay, once you type this into your search bar and click it, it's going to bring you to a page where you have to sign up. Okay, it will take you to a page where you have to sign up, because for you to start earning on Selar.co, you need to sign up. Okay, it's just like you're opening a door to enter into a room where you need to get all of the goodies that are into the room. So you will need to copy this link that you see on your screen and paste it on your search bar and click. Okay, once you click, it will take you to a page where you need to sign up. So once you sign up, I'm going to show you what you will find inside the sign up page. Okay, so follow me as I take you through that. Okay, all right guys, welcome back. So when you sign up into your Selar account, this is what, if you have used that link to sign up, this is what you're going to see. Probably this is what you're going to see on your Selar account. You're going to be asked to sign up. Okay, so once you sign up, this is your account. Okay, this is my own account. So once you sign up, you're going to see stuffs like this in your own platform. Okay, so quickly you will hit these three dots that is at the three dot that is at the top left, the top right. Okay, you're going to click the three dots. So once you click it, it will show you, this is my own account. Okay, so it will show you this what you see on the screen right now. You can see you have your dashboard, you have product, you have sales, you have customer sales pages, wallet payout, and you can see that part that says affiliate. Okay, if you want to be an affiliate for them, you can do that. If you want people to sell your product, you can use that. You can use affiliate. Okay, but we're not talking about affiliate right now. We're talking about how you can refer people and make money from the platform. So quickly you can see where it's written refer and earn. Okay, refer and earn. So what am I going to do? You will click it. Okay, you will click it, and when you say referrals, you click referrals. Okay, let's wait for it to load. So you can see right now on the platform, you can see where it is written refer and earn. What does it say? It says refer a seller and get 1% of all their sales in the first month of selling on Selar. Yup, it's that straightforward. E.g., if you refer users, if your referred users sell 5 million naira in the first month of them selling on Selar, will give you 1% of that, meaning you're getting 50,000 naira. Okay, 50,000 naira without doing anything. The referral commission is capped at your default currency. That means if you are outside watching this, if you are Nigerian, it will give you for Nigerian. If you are a US citizen, it will give you in terms of dollars. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is my referral code. If you sign up and you follow this rule, if you sign up very well, you should have a referral link. Okay, so if you sign up, you're going to see your own name. Okay, you're going to see your own name with the referral link. So what are you going to do? How do you take this link and put it where people are going to see? So what you're going to do is to copy the link. Okay, you can either hit the green one that says copy link. Okay, I've hit it. You say copy link, or you click it and hold. Okay, you click it and hold and you copy. Okay, I have done that. I have copied it. Now you don't want to take this link and place it somewhere like this on different platform like this. It doesn't look nice. Okay, it doesn't look nice. So we're going to shorten the link. Okay, there are lots of people who will see links, very long links, and it's discouraging. They will think it's a scam. They will think it's something bad, So you need to shorten the link so that when you place it somewhere, it looks nice on the face. Okay, so we're going to go straight to where we can shorten the link. Okay, so once again, I pick the link which I have copied. Okay, then I will go somewhere. All right, so I'll be using a link shortener. Okay, a link shortener. That's a website where I can shorten links. Okay, so what will I do? I have to type it. All right, cut.ly. Okay, I'm using cut.ly. So cut.ly is a place where you can actually shorten links. All right, you can shorten links no matter how long the links are. All you do is to sign up to cut.ly, and straight away you can paste the link there. Okay, I'm pasting right now. Once you paste the link there, you can shorten. You click shorten. Okay, you click shorten. It has shortened the link. You can see it has shortened the link. You can see there is saying URL has been copied. Okay, so once you've done that, you've shortened your link. Now you can use this when you have too long links. Okay, when links are too long, it's discouraging to click. You don't get people clicking when it's too long. But once it's short like this, you can work with it. A lot of people will click it, definitely. So what are we going to do right here? Copy the link. We click on copy. Our link has been copied. Okay, so let's say I want to put this link somewhere. What am I going to do? I'm going to go straight to my WhatsApp. Okay, I'll go straight to my WhatsApp. Let's say I want to place it on my WhatsApp. I'll go straight to my WhatsApp status, and I'm going to paste it on my WhatsApp status. All right, what am I going to say right now? I'll say, want to make money online without stress. Want to make money with your smartphone. Okay, let me say, want to make money using your smartphone. Click the link to sign up. Okay, then I drop the link. Right, I drop the link here. Right, okay, then here I'm going to say, now I just want to write something that will catch their attention. Okay, don't have money, don't have a dime on you, want to make money using your smartphone, don't have a dime on you. Are you broke? Okay, I don't want to use the word are you broke. No, I don't want to use the word are you broke. I want to be nice to people. Okay, so I'll say, okay, I don't have data, but I have data. Okay, I have data. Yes, I have data. I don't have a dime on me. Okay, yes, I don't have a dime on me. Yeah, and I want, sorry guys, this is just a practical. Okay, so I'm showing you practically how you can make money using your smartphone. So just follow me. Okay, so I have data, I don't have a dime on me, and I want to make money using my smartphone. What do I do? What can I do? Okay, now this may not be the best way to put the words, okay, but I'm just using this as an example. Okay, so you click. Once I'm done with that, I have uploaded that to my status. Okay, So this is a simple way for you to make money online. So once anybody sees this right now, once they see this link right now, they'll alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. You have just watched how you can make money from Selar using your smartphone. If you're watching this video, if you just watched this video, my name is Awajima Isuto, and I teach you how to earn online. I teach you how to do stuffs online. If you've gotten value from this video and you've learned one or two things, I would love you to comment in this video. I want you to like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to this video so that YouTube can know that we are actually giving value. And if you have questions for me, if you have questions, please do well to ask me and I will respond to you. I will be placing a link in the description of this video. So if you want to contact me, if you want to learn more, if you want to learn how to create digital products, I'll be putting a link in this video, in the description of the video, so you can contact me. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.